Well, good morning. It's 9 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, January 31st, which means last day of the month. Mañana is February. Okay, I'm going to try what we refer to as a cold start on this bike. It's been sitting since yesterday. I'm going to give it a couple of strokes and see if it runs. If it does, that'll be really neat. If it doesn't, it just means it's gone back to its no start category. So we're going to do that. Now let's start off with the bad dad joke of the day. Okay, so let's see. Bad dad jokes. Bad dad joke of the day. I got a guitar for free. No strings attached. Okay. All right, what can I say? So I'm going to put this in the tripod and give a kick on the bike. I'm wearing soft shoes. I'm just gonna do a soft shoe kick and see how it goes. If it doesn't go, I might try with putting on boots. Who knows? Let's see what happens. Gas on. I'm gonna put the choke on. Choke on. Key on. Let's see what happens. One kicky wicky. Two kicky wickies. Oh, now that's not necessarily a good thing. That's what happens when it doesn't want to start. That third kick or so, as the choke was on, and I gave it about half throttle on that third kick, and it fired right up. I'm going to let it sit again. I'm going to put it off to the side and start working on the other black bike. See if I can do some tune-up on that. And then tomorrow I'll do another cold start, or this afternoon maybe. Another cold start on this bike and see if it continues to start. I'm feeling more and more confident now that I have charged the battery. The battery is fully charged. That was my mistake. Hang on, I'll talk all about it. All right, let's see. I don't have the microphone on, so I don't know if you can see me or not. I believe that all of the problems I've had with the bike starting have been my fault. I let the bike sit, and the battery was low. I would check the bike and see a nice bright headlight here and say, well, obviously you got a good strong battery. Not necessarily. This is an LED light. The sucker will shine bright on 6 volts, you know. So that was my mistake. If I had either checked the battery, as people did suggest, or charged the battery, as I finally decided to do, I think these problems would have been over a week ago. And all my frustration would have been avoided. So that's on me. As I said a couple of days ago, Kevin and I were going to go back to basics. Basics. We were going to check, is there gas? Yes, there's gas. Is there gas flowing? Yes, there's gas flowing. Is the carburetor clean? Yes, it's clean. Is the pilot jet okay? Yes, it's okay. You know, start from the basics. And one of the basics would have been, is the battery really strong? We could have put a tester on it. But we didn't, because I assumed because I had a bright headlight that we had a good strong battery. Plus, I was getting spark. When I was kicking it over during the no start period, I was getting spark. You could see it. So I'm going to call that a short between the headsets, and all my fault. And if we continue to get reasonably good starts, I'm going to let the client have the bike. I'll make that decision tomorrow, Sunday. If it starts this afternoon, if it starts tomorrow morning, I'll have Kevin come down and do a test ride, and we'll give it back to the owner. It's been an adventure, and that's the way it is.